are now watching Chinese with LTL, and I'm Mavis from Mandarin with Mavis. One of the common greetings that I find myself use the most often on a daily basis is thank you. So today, let's chat about some common ways to express your gratitude in Mandarin Chinese. You're welcome. The very common way to say thanks or thank you in Mandarin Chinese is 谢谢. It's appropriate to use 谢谢 in most situations, no matter the occasions, the relationship you have with the person who you are speaking with, or in writing or oral conversations. Simply put, you just can't go wrong with 谢谢 in any circumstances where you want to express your gratitude. Make sure this is in your Mandarin Chinese glossary because we all appreciate a polite interaction, don't we? While 谢谢 is the most common way to say thank you in Mandarin Chinese, there are a couple other ways to say thank you that's nice to add to your glossary. In a casual situation where you're talking to someone who you're pretty close with, like your friends, your classmates, or coworkers who you hang out with outside of work, feel free to use these words 谢啦 or 谢谢啦. La is a particle in Mandarin Chinese that can be added to the end of a sentence to express emotions such as exclamation or a sense of excitement. When you say 谢啦 or 谢谢啦, it's a bit more casual and less serious than saying 谢谢. If someone did you a huge favor and you simply tell them 谢啦 or 谢谢啦, that person might think you're not being grateful for what they did for you because of this casual tone of expression. So make sure you only use 谢啦 or 谢谢啦 with someone who you're familiar with or someone who you know understands the degree of gratitude you're trying to express. Another casual way to express gratitude is 多谢. It's also a word to use in a more casual situation. For example, if you drop something and someone picks it up for you, feel free to say 谢谢 or 多谢. Or if someone does you a small favor, you can use either 谢谢 or 多谢 as well. An important note here, 谢啦, 谢谢啦, and 多谢 are only good in oral conversations or in text messages with someone you are comfortable with, and not in formal writing like a work email or an official document. How about expressing your gratitude in a more formal or serious way? Then you can say 谢谢你 by adding 你, which means you, even though the meaning of 谢谢你, thank you, is technically the same as 谢谢, thanks, or thank you. It adds an emphasis to your expression by addressing the person who you want to thank. And this makes it sound a little more serious than saying 谢谢. The nuance here, for example, would be if one of my best friends all of a sudden tells me 谢谢你 for something that I don't feel is a big deal. I'll be like, wait, is there something wrong? Are you okay? Another word to show formality or seriousness and gratitude is 感谢. 感谢 can be translated as appreciate in English. For example, 我感谢你为我做的. I appreciate what you've done for me. By using this word, it increases the formality of your language. You'll also likely hear this phrase in mall or department store announcements, 感谢您的光临. We appreciate your visit, obviously to the store, as a more formal way for the stores to express their gratitude to the customers. You can also add this adverb 非常 to 感谢 or 谢谢 to increase the degree of your gratitude. 非常 means very. When you add it before 谢谢, 非常谢谢 means thank you very much. When you add it before 感谢, 非常感谢 means I appreciate it very much. By adding 非常, you're showing a higher degree of appreciation to the person who you're talking to. 谢谢你的收看. Thank you for watching. Looking for online or offline courses to learn Mandarin Chinese? Check out the links in the description box. See you next time on Chinese with LTL. Bye!